Introducing OneSync by Feit Electric, the only customizable and easy-to-install under-cabinet lights and accessories that can connect wirelessly, eliminating complicated wiring behind or between cabinets. Today, we're installing the OneSync tape light. Let's get to it. Your OneSync tape light comes with mounting screws, 6-inch connector cables, 72-inch power cable, 18-inch linking cable, mounting template, instruction manual, and finally, your fixture. Here's the tools needed to install your tape light. Start by measuring the length of your cabinets. Then, decide where you want to place your tape light controller. If you need to cut and rejoin your tape light, disconnect your tape light from power before cutting and rejoining. Start by cutting the light to length only on the copper dots. Then, remove 1 centimeter of the heat shrink wrap to expose the connection points. Insert the tape light into the connector cable so that the copper points are under the metal pins. Then, close the end of the cable. Using the mounting template, mark the desired placement of your tape light controller. Install mounting bracket using the provided screws. Then, attach the controller by pushing and twisting into the bracket. If installing the 6-foot tape light, install the mounting screws according to the template, then slide the controller towards the mounting slot. Peel the adhesive paper off the back of your tape light. Mount the tape light in the desired location. Make sure you clean your mounting surface before installing your tape light. Connect the power cable to the controller. Then, connect to power. Select any of the 5 different color temperatures available. Just press the CCT button. You can also select any of the 4 different brightness options by pressing the dim button. Turn your lights off and on with the power button. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your OneSync tape light.